First, we select the column A. After that, we Ctrl F click the replace menu and change the previous name into what we replaced with the new proper name, then replace all. Next is we just copied what was the step in the previous one, Ctrl F, to find and replace the improper name to proper name, then replace all. Next, for the symptoms, we add a new column where we're gonna paste the proper of the symptoms. We use the formula text join B2, C2, D2, and E2. Then enter to combine the four columns of symptoms. To proper the symptoms, we use the proper formula proper B2, then enter. And double click the small cross in the lower part of the cell to flush fill the column. Next is the doctor illness diagnosis. We add column, use proper formula like the previous one. Proper C2, enter then double click. Next is categories of illness and column again. Use proper formula, enter then double click. Next, prescribed medicine. To combine the three prescribed medicine, we add column. We use the text join formula. Text join F2, G2, H2, then enter and double click to flush fill. Remove the three prescribed medicine duplicates. Add column, use proper formula proper F2, enter, then double-click to flash fill. Last but not the least, to combine treatment and control, we use text join formula. Text join G2, H2, enter. Double-click to flash fill. Then to proper it, we use proper formula like the previous step we did. Add column input proper G2, enter, double-click.
To convert the non-numerical into numerical data, we add column, input 1 to 3 number, the double click, choose fill series in the small box to proper the counts of the number. Then click sort and filter, choose filter to show up a new column with its sorting arrow, the small arrow in the type of illness, choose sort A to Z, click OK, then now you can input the assigned binary, but if you input first the 0 before the 1 number, 0 will not show up if you enter. Just right click the number, format cells, general, and remove general in the type change with 00 number, then OK. Now the 0 number is already showing. If there is the same what you have to input it on, just double click to flash fill the numbers. Like the previous one, we input the binary number and then double click to flash fill. After that, we click the small arrow in the proper counted number, choose small to the largest, enter, then the type of illness and its binary are now assembled. Next is the symptoms like the previous one, add column, number 1 to 3, double click, flash fill, to proper the number, click sort and filter, click arrow in choose A to Z, okay, then now you can input the binary number just like the previous one. Input the binary. Now if it's okay, then we can delete the symptoms column and the proper counted number. We just repeat what was in the previous step, and now this is the final output of the non-numerical into numerical data.
I already input an Excel data in this RapidMiner. So now we drag the retrieved data that was inputted here. Next, we'll search the select attributes and operator, then drag. Next is set role. We're gonna use two set role to the process. It's because this doesn't want to run if the only one set role or drag. Next is cross validation. I changed its false to 70. Now we will connect each of them to run the process, and error doesn't occur. Next, double click the cross validation. This is where we're gonna put our model. If base, connect its path, then search for apply model. And performance, connect each of them to the process. Now, We can run the program and this is their output. There is performance in a table view and the flat view. Description, data, statistics, visualization, description, and simple charts.